Hey everyone, today I'm going to share with you a very authentic tandoori chicken recipe which is made in restaurants. It is absolutely a restaurant style and it looks amazing with this green chutney. So do try this and comment down below. So let's start making this delicious recipe. So here I am taking 2.5 kgs of chicken quarters. You can use breast piece, but I'm going to take only the thigh and leg piece, and I have taken out the fat and skin and thoroughly washed it, and also I have removed the water from the chicken. There shouldn't be any kind of water in the chicken. You can see this is how it should look. And after this I'm going to make slits in this chicken so that the marinade gets into the meat and gives a very nice taste to the meat. So let's start making the slits in the meat. So I'm going to make 3 lines or 3 slits on the thigh side, and this is how it should look. And if your chicken is medium size, you can also make 2 slits, but since my chicken is larger in size, I'm making 3 slits on each side. And also on the back side of the chicken you should make the slit. And as I said, the main reason of doing this is to make the ingredients thoroughly get through the meat and give a good taste to the chicken. So this is how we are going to do for all the rest pieces. So let's do it. Any kind of fat or skin left, you can remove it at this time. And now we are going to marinate this slitted chicken quarters with lemon or lime, whichever you prefer, you can use that. And for this 2.5 kgs of chicken, I'm going to use 1 big lime, and I'm going to squeeze the juice of this 1 lime in this chicken quarter pieces. Make sure that the lime juice is thoroughly applied to all the pieces, front and back. There shouldn't be any side left. And now we are going to add the basic ingredients: 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoon fresh ginger and garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now out of these 4 ingredients, the first ingredient which we are going to use is ginger and garlic paste. The reason we apply ginger and garlic paste first is that it adds a very good taste to the meat. So it's better to first apply ginger and garlic paste and leave for a minute or 2 and then apply the other basic ingredients. When you're applying the ginger and garlic paste, make sure that you are inserting it even in the slitted area of the chicken pieces. Now after this, I'm going to take the 3 basic ingredients, that is turmeric and red chili and salt. I'm going to mix all these 3 together, and then I'm going to apply to all the chicken quarters. After applying it thoroughly to all the pieces, I'm going to set this chicken aside for half an hour to get marinated in this basic ingredients. Meanwhile this is getting marinated, I'm going to prepare the main ingredient for the chicken tandoori. So let's set this aside, and for main ingredient we need 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoon of tandoori chicken masala, you can use any brand, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi, 1 teaspoon of chaat masala, and 1 teaspoon of grinded green chilies. I'm taking here the frozen one because I grind and keep in cubes. You can use the fresh grinded green chili paste. Other than this, we also need curd, and here I'm going to take 150 grams of fresh yogurt. And also we need red color. Red color is optional. Now we are going to add all these dried ingredients in the curd. We are going to mix the ingredients thoroughly, and then we are going to add red color. Red color is optional, as I said, but if you're giving party or on special occasions, once in a blue moon you can add it, because it adds attraction to the dish and it makes the dish look more professional, hotel or restaurant style rather than homemade. Now after mixing the red color, we are going to add this paste or apply this paste to the marinated chicken. Make sure that when you are applying the paste, it should completely get into the slitted area as well. And now we are going to keep this chicken for marination for another 1 hour, and we are going to put it in oven after 1 hour of marination, and the oven should be preheated at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Now after placing the chicken quarters in the grill, I'm going to spray some oil on both the sides of the chicken, and then I'm going to grill it on 450 Fahrenheit. Now meanwhile our chicken is getting grilled, I'm going to make this green chutney, and for this green chutney we need 150 grams of curd, and to this curd we are going to add one green chili. You can add half of it if you don't like more spicy, and also we are going to add some fresh coriander and mint leaves. And here for making this chutney I'm using hand blender, and I would recommend using hand blender because in machine blender the chutney becomes too thin. So we don't need that kind of consistency. We need a very smooth consistency which can be easily get in hand blender. So guys, to this green chutney I'm going to add some salt, a very little bit, and half a teaspoon of black salt. Now I'm going to mix this, and our green chutney is ready. Now meanwhile, if you look at the chicken, it's done from top or the upper side, and now we are going to turn it on the other side and going to grill it for another 10 minutes. So guys, our tandoori chicken is ready. Now before serving this, we need to sprinkle few ingredients. Here I am taking half a teaspoon of chaat masala, and I'm going to sprinkle all over the chicken pieces. And other than that, we also need half a teaspoon of kasuri methi, which you can take in your palm, crush it, and then you can sprinkle that crushed powder on chicken pieces. And now our chicken tandoori is ready to serve. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for the latest update, and thanks for watching.